Traders, welcome to Simply Forex. If you want to improve as a trader, then you're definitely in the right place. Each week, guys, I'm going to give you easy to follow trade ideas, tips, and advice so you too can succeed at trading. And right now, it is time for the weekly forecast. So it's time for all of you swingers out there. I'm going to give you my swing trades for this week. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you every single one. And we're going to dive straight in, guys. So first, we are going to look at the dollar index, right? Because last week there was lots of, confusion, contradiction with the US dollar and the US dollar majors, right? But the dollar index has just continued to be bullish, right? It just keeps being bullish. It even broke through this area of resistance here, right? So we're seeing dollar strength, and some of that confusion is over, right? This dollar strength has remained. I mean, you do need to be careful with the dollar at the moment because obviously we got the, US presidential elections and the crazy reality show that is Trump and Kamala Harris. But to be honest with you guys, it's all noise, right? Don't tune into all of that. And just for entertainment, you can, but it's just noise. Just trade what you see on the chart, right? The chart doesn't lie, and the chart prices in most things. Right? So, just do what the chart tells you. And if we look at the dollar index, it's still dollar strength. Now, this move is a little bit, it's gone, quite a distance in a short period of time. Maybe there is a bit of a pullback before we go higher, but it's dollar strength that we're looking at. And I wanted to show you this, guys, because it leads me on to one of our first swing trade ideas, okay? Now, I was looking at a few US dollar pairs, and we're looking at weekly charts because these are swing trades, right? This is, you could leave this trade for the week. And if we look at US dollar yen, this was potentially one. Okay, you can see we was in this weekly downtrend, right? But we've shot back up and we're in an uptrend. And again, this candle has broken this area of support and resistance. Is even gone above the moving average 20. So US dollar yen, is $1 major that I like, right, to buy. Okay. I also liked Aussie dollar US dollar, right, because this is literally just broken structure here, right? We've got this last low was clearly broken with this candle here. Right, and now we're well and truly below the moving average 20. And I still think we have a bit of room down to this trend line here that we're seeing. Okay, so the blue line would be my target, this 6,550. So I also like Aussie dollar, US dollar sells, but the US dollar major that I really like is New Zealand dollar, US dollar, right? And this is going to be really my first swing trade idea, because if you're going to trade a US dollar major, trade the US dollar major you like the most. So let's understand why I like this one the most. So as you can see, right, if we just follow structure first of all on the weekly chart, we are clearly in a downtrend, right? We got lower lows, okay, downtrend. All right, so first of all, we like trend and structure. We're below the moving average 20. We like that as well. Look how bearish that candle is, right? We saw it on the dollar index, dollar strength. This is what this represents. Nice big bearish candle. And what I like here, guys, is just the room it has to move into. Right, there's no level in here, right? Stopping this price, this pair to get back down to these lows here. All right, so out of all the US dollar majors, I prefer New Zealand dollar, US dollar sells for those reasons. Right, we might get a little retrace during the week up to this level. That'd be great. And then we can start trading from an area of value in here. Okay, so that's the first swing trade for this week for all of you swingers. What else are we looking at? And generally, guys, we're looking at pound strength for a few of these trades as well, okay? And combining that with this New Zealand dollar weakness, then that obviously brings us to pound New Zealand dollar. right? So pound New Zealand dollar is my next swing trade idea for this week. And again, if we just follow trend and structure, right, you can see we are clearly in an uptrend, right? We're getting higher highs, slightly higher lows, but these lows have held, right? We're in an uptrend. And again, we have room to move into back up to this level here. And we have a bullish candle, right? Lots of things to like about this trade. A little pullback would be great into an area of value, and then we take price back up to here. All right. Guys, there's more trade ideas. Before I give you my next trade ideas, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash that notification button and please smash the like button. And also, guys, please leave a comment. If you like my trade ideas, leave a comment. Let us know what you're trading this week, or maybe you want to ask me a question about trading. Please leave all your comments below the vid and smash the like button. Right, to keep this pound strength going, we're also looking at pound Aussie dollar, right? So if we look at pound Aussie dollar, again on the weekly chart, and guys, I'm looking at the weekly chart because these are swing trades, right? These are longer time frame trades, right? So again, let's just follow structure, right? This low here never broke because of this candle. So this held. And it's almost become a bit of a range, right? So we can take price back to the top of the range. We're in an uptrend stroke range, all right? So looking at this candle, super bullish as well. We're above the moving average 20, right? Everything's telling us we can take price back up to these highs here. Okay, so this 9682 level, this blue line's my target. And again, guys, we probably want a bit of a retrace with this one into value and then take price back up to here. All right, but pound Aussie dollar. So you can see that pound strength in the markets. And there's one more trade idea, guys. If I could just ask everyone to please come join our trading community. If you haven't already, it's free. We've got the free Discord. And within the free Discord, guys, you've also got the VIP Trading Academy. All right, and that's got all of my tutorials, strategies, trade signals. Come join it. And the last one is this. So before I show, the last trade is Swiss franc yen buys, right? But again, we liked a couple of other yen pairs. Like I said, US dollar yen. We look at the weekly chart, right? This broke that level. We looked at this earlier, so that has potential, right? That's a yen pair. If we look at euro yen, so this broke these highs, right? So this has literally just become a weekly, let's say this, a weekly uptrend. So this candle has just broken weekly structure, right? We're in a weekly uptrend, but you can see we're right at the moving average 20, and there is a bit of resistance through here. So I was looking at those, but the trade I like the most with the yen pairs is Swiss franc yen, right? Because again, there's nothing stopping it, right? Let me explain what I mean. So this is the weekly chart. We're in a downtrend and then bang, right? We are clearly in an uptrend, right? We're getting higher highs, higher lows, right? We're clearly in an uptrend. And we got this nice big bullish weekly candle from last week. And then again, there's no levels in here stopping it, right? So price, should be able to come back up to this level here, even if not a little bit higher, guys, right? But I like 17850 as a target. Again, bit of a retrace, price comes back up. All right, so yeah, those are my swing trade ideas for this week, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please come join me for the live streams on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time, and have a great trading week. Adios.